Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. I hope you and your family are doing fantastic. Today's video is in collaboration with Totally Dazzled. I'm gonna show you some beautiful items that I received from Totally Dazzled, and I'm also gonna be showing you some items that I bought from HomeGoods, Amazon, and Burlington. Okay, you guys, if you are interested, please keep watching. If you are new to my channel, my name is Dalou. Welcome to the Glam Squad family. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. And to all of my returning Glam Squad, thank you so much. I love you all. So let me show you guys what I received from Totally Dazzled. So the first thing that I'm going to show you from Totally Dazzled is this set of napkin rings. They are super cute. There it is. They are beautiful jewelry for my napkin. Look at them, you guys. You see how beautiful they are? Really glam. No, the crystal is not blue. It's just that it is so clear and so shiny. It looks a little bit blue, but it is a clear crystal. The next item that I'm going to show you, it's another set of napkin rings as well, but this one is in pearl. I love pearl. I think it shows so much sophistication. I love this one as well. I love the simplicity, but yet so elegant. I got this pack of Glam / embellishment items. I got the gold one, I have the rose gold, and I also got the silver one. Each one of them has a total of 10 items. For example, look at this big beautiful bush that I got, you guys. It is super beautiful. You can just put it on your clothes just like that. You see how cute that is if you put it on your clothes? Super beautiful. I really like it. You can see all the beautiful smaller one that came in the pack. For example, some of them has flat back, which is gonna make it easier to glue or attach in on items. Super cute, really cute. Look at this big one, really nice. I really like this one. I think it's super cute. This is a butterfly one if you are into butterfly. These are all the ones that came in that pack of 10. And on the rose gold one, these are the pieces that they have. Oh, look at this one. This is so shiny, so beautiful, super nice. And this one too is really pretty. And the rose gold one has a small version of the gold one that I just showed you earlier. You can see this one here, super nice as well. This is the other big one. Definitely will pop up your outfit if you are into these things. Mother's Day is coming up next month. There will be great gifts to give to your parents. A lot of older people love to use brooches and things like that. Very beautiful. These are the silver one. They are really beautiful. Look at this bush, super shiny. I love it. And this one, really beautiful as well. Okay, and part one. They are all super nice. Look at this one, how pretty this one is. Really nice. I love the design. I love all the shinies, like the bling. Do you see that, guys? They are super reflective and so shiny. Show you how they are looking super cute on some of my plain pillows. Definitely a great way for me to add some blings on my pillows. This is what the other one looks like. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you... I like the pillow with the rose gold too. The last item that I received from Totally Dazzled is this beautiful rose gold glam wrap. I love this color. I have the gold and the silver one. Now I have the rose gold one. Great for my DIYs. Okay, you guys, these are all the items that I received from Totally Dazzled. I cannot wait to include them in some of my DIYs and some of my decor. In my opinion, I think the items are really beautiful and good quality, and most importantly, they are not expensive at all. So go check them out. I will put a link for you in the description box to go check them out. I know you will love these items from Totally Dazzled. So now let's move on to the other items. So the next items that I got is this beautiful drapery that I got from HomeGoods, 96 inches for $50. Very beautiful, pretty. I love the fabric. It is really nice. I love this, and I love the fact that it has this little thing, this little bling on top of it. I really love the style. It's very pretty. This is it up close. It has some pleats, which I think it's gonna be very beautiful. The next item that I got is this beautiful giant glam pillow from HomeGoods. Super glam. Really like these. I got 2 of them. The next item that I got is this beautiful glass vase from HomeGoods. I love the design at the bottom. I think it is really nice, and it was only $19. I think it's really good for $19, and it is a big vase too. You guys see that? It is a really big vase. The next item that I'm gonna show you is this beautiful sheet set that I got from Amazon. It is super beautiful, a very nice color. It is a blush color, okay? It is satin, and they said it's supposed to be wrinkle free. So I have to wait when I open it up to see if it is wrinkle free. But so far, I'm really liking it. It has a very luxurious feel to it so far. So I'm gonna have that on my bed. You guys will get to see it soon. Next item, beautiful curtain type bags from Burlington. I really like it. I think these are the real jewelry for your curtain. The last item that I'm going to show you is this set of candle holder that I got from Burlington. I really like them. I like the style. Put the little tea light on there and it will look super cute. Yep, these are the last set of items that I got. Okay, you guys, this is it for today. I'd like to say a big thank you to Totally Dazzled for sending me these beautiful items. I think they are really beautiful and super glam, and most importantly, they are affordable and great quality. Go check them out. I think you will like the items, or you will even love them. Their link will be in the description box. I will see you in the next video. Please do not leave without hitting your subscribe button and turning your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. I love you always. Bye-bye.